In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Steam. Whether you're using the desktop client or a web browser, the process is the same and only takes a minute. Start by opening Steam and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner. Click your profile name, then choose Account Details. This page is where Steam keeps everything related to your purchases, including your payment methods. To add or update how you pay, stay on Account Details and scroll to the section labeled Store Purchase History. Here, click Add a payment method to this account, or, if you're replacing what's already saved, choose Update the payment method link to this account. Steam will ask what you want to use. You can select a credit or debit card, such as Visa or MasterCard, choose PayPal, or pick another supported option shown on your screen. After selecting your preferred method, carefully enter the required details. For cards, that means the card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing address. Make sure the name and address match what your bank has on file to avoid declines. For PayPal or similar options, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your account. Take a moment to double-check everything before moving on. Catching a typo here saves time later. When you're confident the information is correct, click Continue or Save. Steam will validate what you entered. If everything looks good, your new payment method will be added to your account and available the next time you check out. If you see an option to set this as your default for future purchases, check that box so Steam uses it automatically. You can still choose a different method during checkout if you want, but setting a default keeps things fast and consistent. If the Continue or Save button is grayed out, it usually means a required field needs attention, such as an incomplete billing address or an invalid expiration date. Correct the highlighted item and submit again. You can return to Account Details anytime to confirm which method is set as default and make changes later if you need to. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.